Welcome back to our channel Camera Today. We're diving into the top 5 best cameras for beginners in 2025. Whether you're a budding photographer, aspiring filmmaker, or just want to capture life's beautiful moments, we've rounded up the absolute best beginner-friendly cameras just for you. From unbeatable value to exceptional video quality, this list has something for everyone. Let's get started. Starting off strong at number 5, we have the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV. This camera is perfect for those just starting their photography journey without breaking the bank. With a 20MP micro Four Thirds sensor and a super portable, retro design, it's lightweight and packed with powerful features. The flip-down touchscreen makes vlogging a breeze, and the 5-axis in-body stabilization ensures your shots stay sharp, even without a tripod. This sleek and lightweight micro Four Thirds camera offers incredible quality with its 20MP live MOS sensor, making it a perfect choice for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Equipped with the M.Zuiko digital ED14 to 42mm f3.5-5.6 easy lens kit, it delivers crisp, vibrant images and videos with minimal effort. Thanks to its 5-axis in-body image stabilization, shaky shots are a thing of the past, providing up to 4.5 stops of compensation for steady shots even in low light. Want to record videos? Enjoy ultra-clear 4K video capabilities that make every moment cinematic. Plus, the flip-down monitor and dedicated selfie mode ensure that self-portraits are effortless and beautifully framed, with selfie mode activating automatically when the screen flips down. Stay connected on the go with the always-on Bluetooth and OI Share app, letting you sync, share, and manage your photos straight from your smartphone. And for an added creative touch, choose from 16 built-in art filters, including a new instant film effect for a nostalgic, vintage look. Whether capturing landscapes, portraits, or action, the EM10 Mark IV's sensor shift image stabilization and digital zoom up to 2x give you flexibility and control for any shot. Perfectly portable, powerful, and packed with features, this camera makes it easy to unleash your creativity and share stunning results instantly. At number 4, we have the Canon EOS Rebel SL3, the best DSLR choice for beginners in 2025. Known for its reliable design and high-quality image capture, this camera is an ideal first DSLR. It sports a 24.1MP APS-C sensor that produces sharp, detailed images, and Canon's dual-pixel autofocus ensures smooth, fast focus. Step into the world of DSLR photography with the Canon EOS Rebel SL3, an ideal choice for beginners ready to capture stunning photos and videos. Equipped with an EFS 18 to 55mm lens kit, this compact DSLR delivers impressive image quality and versatility, whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or close-ups. With 24.1MP resolution and Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF technology, expect sharp, detailed images and smooth, accurate autofocus, even in video mode. Its 3.0-inch vari-angle touchscreen makes it easy to shoot from any angle, while the built-in Wi-Fi lets you instantly share your masterpieces or control the camera remotely from your smartphone. Perfect for on-the-go shooting, the SL3 features digital image stabilization to minimize blur, ensuring clear, steady shots every time. Compatible with Canon's EFS mount, it allows you to expand your creativity with a wide range of interchangeable lenses. Capture memories in JPEG or RAW format and experience the quality and convenience of this versatile DSLR. Compact, powerful, and easy to use, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is ready to bring your photography to life. Coming in at number 3, the Sony ZV-E10 is our top pick for video enthusiasts. If you're a vlogger, content creator, or simply want to create high-quality videos, the ZV-E10 is your new best friend. This camera features a 24.2MP APS-C sensor and is built for dynamic, high-quality video with features like 4K recording and Sony's lightning-fast autofocus. This APS-C mirrorless camera comes equipped with Sony's E-mount system, allowing you to swap lenses for complete creative flexibility. With an impressive CMOS sensor and digital image stabilization, it delivers sharp, vibrant shots in a variety of lighting conditions. Designed with versatility in mind, The ZV E10 supports multiple aspect ratios, 16:9, 1:1, 3:2, and 4:3, and captures in JPEG and RAW formats for the ultimate editing flexibility. The maximum aperture of f/3.5 and expanded ISO range starting at 50 allow for beautiful, detailed images, even in challenging lighting. It offers center-weighted, multi-zone, and spot metering options to give you more control over exposure, ensuring every shot is well-balanced and accurately exposed. With a 1x optical zoom and 50mm maximum focal length, it's perfect for close-ups and portraits, while Sony's exceptional autofocus keeps your subject clear and sharp, no matter the movement. Compact and powerful, the Sony Alpha ZV E10 is ready to elevate your content with professional-level quality, whether you're vlogging, capturing memories, or expanding your photography skills. Sliding in at number 2, we have the Nikon ZFC, the ultimate blend of retro style and modern tech. With its iconic design inspired by classic film cameras and a powerful 20.9MP APS-C sensor, the ZFC not only looks good but performs even better. This camera boasts 4K UHD recording and seamless autofocus tracking, making it a top choice for both photographers and videographers. Compact and powerful, this camera comes with a versatile 16 to 50mm wide-angle zoom lens, making it ideal for capturing everything from landscapes to portraits with stunning clarity. The CMOS sensor delivers high-quality images with beautiful color and detail, while digital image stabilization helps keep your shots sharp and steady. With 3x optical zoom and a maximum aperture of f/3.5, this camera adapts effortlessly to various shooting conditions, ensuring your images stay crisp and vibrant. Supporting multiple aspect ratios, 1.50:1 and 16:9. The ZFC allows you to frame shots for a variety of styles, perfect for both stills and video. Featuring evaluative metering and an expanded ISO starting at 100, the ZFC ensures optimal exposure, even in challenging light. Compatible with both Nikon Z and Nikon F mount lenses, it offers endless possibilities for expanding your creativity. Whether you're drawn to the retro aesthetic or the advanced functionality, the Nikon ZFC is a true modern classic that lets you capture moments with style and precision. And finally, at the top of our list, we have the Canon EOS R10, the best overall camera for beginners in 2025. Canon has really nailed it with this mirrorless marvel. Featuring a 24.2MP APS-C sensor, 4K video, and lightning-fast autofocus, the EOS R10 makes capturing stunning photos and videos incredibly easy. Paired with the RFS 18 to 45mm f4.5-6.3 ISSTM lens kit, this camera provides exceptional versatility, making it easy to capture high-quality photos and 4K videos in one compact package. The EOS R10 features a 24.2MP APS-C CMOS sensor that captures stunning detail and vibrant color, even in low-light settings. With digital image stabilization and a range of metering modes, including center-weighted, evaluative, partial, and spot metering, it ensures balanced, sharp images in a variety of shooting conditions. Supporting multiple aspect ratios, 1.50:1, 16:9, and 4:3, and formats, CRAW, HEIF, JPEG, and RAW, it offers creative flexibility for all your needs. With a maximum aperture of f/4.5 and expanded ISO starting at 100, this camera provides excellent control over light and depth of field. The Canon EOS R10's RF lens compatibility means you can expand your setup with a wide range of Canon's RF lenses to match any photography style. Compact, powerful, and intuitive, the EOS R10 is built to empower your creativity and capture stunning content wherever you go. And there you have it, our top 5 cameras for beginners in 2025. Each one of these cameras offers something unique, whether you're looking for value, DSLR experience, video excellence, or the best of the best overall. Ready to get started? Check out the links in the description to learn more and find the best deals on these cameras. Let us know in the comments which one is your favorite or if there's another camera you think should be on this list. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more top tech picks, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss our next video.